So on today's video we're trying to fix this temperature reading, this ambient temperature reading thing. It's not working. I think it fell over, or rather it fell down while the car was moving, was in motion. So it's sometimes giving me some weird readings like -40 and so on and so forth. So I bought this wiring harness and the actual reading gadget. So I'll show you in the hood what happened, and I hope this will be a quick and easy fix. We'll try and do it without needing to take off the front bumper. So that reader thing is located in that metal thing that has a small hole down there, and I knew it was off when I saw the wiring thing was missing this thing over here. So this is why I bought the wiring harness. So this is what I need to connect to the harness, and then the harness will be connected to the reader, and the reader, I'll install the reader down there, and hopefully that will be a permanent fix. So probably we'll need to do it and go under the hood and do it. That's easier than needing to take off the bumper. So let me try that out, and hopefully that works. So I've used the rhino ramp to raise the left side of the car. I think that will be enough. Next thing would be to go underneath and try and get this fixed. So here are the codes, here are the wires. So they're open now, they're naked now. Next would be to do the same to these ones. Black for white and red for the green one. It's ready now. I'm just going to connect it to the other one and finally connect this one and test it out. This is kind of a difficult position to be working in. I see now why people would prefer to take out the bumper. So whatever works for you, as long as you can get access to this connection. So I think we are connected now. So next thing would be to connect this. Just put this inside here. Once it locks inside, I think next thing would be to probably slide it in here. Perfect. It's now in place, as you can see. As you see, I think it's working. So yeah, it's coming down. So I'll give it some time and check it out. May probably give it maybe like 10 minutes. So as I wait for this to recalibrate itself, I'll use that time to tape these wires so they're not naked. Share the link in the description for the harness and the sensor. So check the link in the description Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, share this video, share the other videos, like, leave a comment. Thank you for tuning in.